It's Thursday, August 14th. Welcome to MarketVerse, where we're simplifying investing with AI agents. Big news today. The PPI data just dropped, the market's tanked. And I'll cover one stock, which I traded last week, and you can see the returns today. But before that, you see we have upgraded our website. And the agents are live. You can say hello to the Iris experience, where Iris is a one-stop shop for everything that MarketWorks has to offer. You can get price targets, Google and Apple. You see the demo here, and a lot of other. But today, first, I'm gonna look at the macro. The market mood is like 64, which is better, but still, we went all the way from 77 to 64. Geopolitics, there's always the energy crisis that's going on. Markets were up initially, but they went down after the PPI drop. This newsletter goes before the markets are open, and we'll go to the MarketVerse and see what the PPI, and all you do is go here, start for free, and you'd be able to go to MarketVerse and you can ask for today's macros views first, and it's gonna go grab the latest macro. 64, as I said, it's not too optimistic, but still we're going. One thing which every investor is looking for is September, where the Fed they're expected to cut the rates, and the potential opportunities, commodities, upcoming events that's going to happen. All of that stuff is there. All you can ask is search web and get me the latest PPI data and how it's going to impact the market. So you would be able to get the latest PPI from July, just dropped. You can get the latest from Iris, and then it is rising sharply. That's why the markets eventually went down when what is PPI? PPI is kind of a wholesale inflation pressure. And what's next coming following the report? US this signaling, as I said, Fed next month might cut the rates. So if they don't cut the rate, that means the markets might go down. But that is what is priced in already. But it had a very bad effect on US Treasury yield, particularly 10 years. I'm not sure if you know the inverted yield curve, when the 10 years Treasury yield actually goes down than the 2 years. And that is one of the key indicators for a recession. But that does not happen yet. Today, I'm going to cover the long-term and short-term opportunities. You see, MarketVerse premium customers have access to this long-term opportunity report. We follow all the major events, price changes, anything that happens. And you know how it impacts? This goes beyond before even the market opens. You see, one of the top events that happened is major event on Amazon. And if you follow my videos, I traded Amazon. I bought it at 223 for the short term, and I put a limit price on 30 at that time. And you will be able to see that Amazon, you go to Amazon through this portal, you get the latest and greatest. That happened for today. From insider trading to event calendar, just yesterday, they announced that they're going with the expansion of like same day delivery groceries. You get any of the other data. Overall, positive, everything's positive. We have increased the price target for Amazon to 252. Right now, the stock is a little bit down. And I'll show you what I traded. If you go to Amazon, and you'd be able to see how accurate MarketVerse predicted the price, the highest price. And I'll show you through my orders. I placed this market limit order August 7th, right? That was last week. You can check out the video. 10 stocks at this 223 price because of this technical chart analysis. And I put a limit order. If you see, the limit order was at 230, and you're going to see the magic. It reached 230 and then it started dropping. That was the ceiling. So predicted my order went through because it was a limit order. My order went through and it filled today in the morning. It was placed on August 7th, but it got filled today in the morning. Everything's being placed by MarketVerse. So I didn't do anything. It just told me that time you buy at this and sell at that. And I made a profit of however much, almost $900 profit. And now see, it's the same thing. It's asking me to hold for the breakout until it reaches 230. That means a breakout. If it's going to go up, then I can execute. So right now it's a no, it's 228. So keep this journey with MarketVerse, where it's simplifying investing. It's telling you where to go, but again, it's your decision if you want to execute it.